Hello everyone, Namaskar. Welcome to Chotu Veda channel. Last video we saw the significance of Yoga Day, and in today's video we will see why we celebrate Yoga Day on 21st June. In this video we uncover the deep significance of celebrating Yoga Day on 21st June. We will explore the scientific, historical, and spiritual reasons behind this choice of date. Get ready to gain a deeper understanding of why this day holds immense importance in the world of yoga. Let's see. Scientifically, 21st June is a summer solstice, the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. Scientifically, this date holds special importance as it marks the transition from darkness to light. The sun reaches its highest position, symbolizing a shift towards greater illumination. Celebrating Yoga Day on this date signifies the journey from darkness to enlightenment, both internally and externally. Second, we will see historical aspects. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India thousands of years ago. The International Day of Yoga, celebrated on 21st June, was first proposed by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his address to the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. The proposal received overwhelming support, leading to the declaration of 21st June as the International Day of Yoga. Spiritual significance. Yoga has deep spiritual roots and it's intricately linked to the spiritual traditions of India. It is a path to connect the body, mind, and spirit, promoting overall well-being and inner transformation. 21st June holds spiritual significance as it aligns with the energies of the summer solstice, a time when nature is vibrant and the potential for inner growth is heightened. In spiritual connection, yoga has a profound spiritual dimensions and its roots are closely tied to the ancient traditions of India. Lord Shiva, a revered deity in Hinduism, is often associated with yoga. It is believed that Lord Shiva is the embodiment of stillness, meditation, and ultimate consciousness. Celebrating Yoga Day on 21st June honors the connection between yoga and Lord Shiva, acknowledging the spiritual essence of the practice. In simple terms, Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June because it aligns with the summer solstice, representing the transition from darkness to light. This date also honors the historical roots of yoga and recognizes its spiritual connection to Lord Shiva. By choosing 21st June as the day to celebrate yoga, we honor the scientific significance of the summer solstice, acknowledge the ancient origin of yoga in India, and embrace the spiritual essence of the practice. As we conclude our exploration of the significance of celebrating Yoga Day on 21st June, we have discovered the scientific, historical, and spiritual aspects that contribute to the choice of this date. It represents the transition towards greater light, honors the ancient origins of yoga, and allows individuals to tap into the profound spiritual energy of the summer solstice. I hope this video has shed light on the rich significance of celebrating Yoga Day on 21st June. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we continue to explore fascinating topics related to wellness, spirituality, and personal growth. Thank you.